Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 20, часть 1, страница 44-45. English, Starlight 4, homework, lesson number 20, part number 1, page number 44-45. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. It's terrible. Don't be silly. It's terrible. Don't be silly. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly. It's wonderful. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 44. 44. Grammarland. Plural number. Множественное число. Coat, coats. Lemon, lemons. Mango, mangoes. Dress, dresses. Knife, knives. Cherry, cherries. How much are these gloves? How much is this cap? Сколько стоят эти перчатки? Сколько стоит эта кепка? Множественное число существительных. В большинстве случаев множественное число образуется при помощи окончания «s». One lemon, two lemons. К существительным, которые оканчиваются на «s», «ss», «ч», «ш», «кс» или «о» во множественном числе добавляется окончание «es». Mango, mangoes. Glass, glasses. У существительных, которые оканчиваются на «f» или «fi», во множественном числе «f» меняется на «v» и добавляется окончание «es». Knife, knives. У существительных, которые оканчиваются на согласную y, во множественном числе y заменяется на I и добавляется окончание es. Cherry, cherries. Boy, boys. Особая форма множественного числа существительных. Некоторые существительные во множественном числе имеют особую форму. Это существительные исключения. Например, единственное число man, man, woman, women, child, children, fish, fish, person, people, mouse, mice, sheep, sheep, foot, feet, tooth, teeth. Существительные, которые находятся в данной рамочке, нужно запоминать наизусть. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Look and complete the crossword. Посмотри и реши кроссворд. Across. По горизонтали. Down. По вертикали. The answer. Scarves, caps, socks, skirts, slippers, dresses. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Find 8 differences. Найди 8 различий. На картинке A 2 шарфа, на картинке B 1 шарф. In picture A, there are 2 scarves. In picture B, there's one scarf. The answer. In picture A, there's one cap. In picture B, there are two caps. In picture A, there's one dress. In picture B, there are two dresses. In picture A, there are two boxes. In picture B, there's one box. In picture A, there are two coats. In picture B, there's one coat. In picture A, there's one sock. In picture B, there are two socks. In picture A, there are two balls. In picture B, there's one ball. In picture A, there's one train. In picture B, there are two trains. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Complete. How much is this coat? Закончи. Сколько стоит это пальто? How much are these slippers? How much are these pajamas? How much are these scarves? How much is this dress? How much is this jumper? Boys and girls, do exercise number 4. Now talk with your friend. How much is this coat, please? It's 93 pounds. 9. Сколько стоит это пальто? 33 фунта и 9 пенни. My dear friends, do exercise number 5. Read and say yes or no. Jack's got 20 pounds. He can buy the jumper. Прочитай и скажи да или нет. У Джейка 20 фунтов. Он может купить джемпер. Да, yes. Troy's got 35 pounds. He can buy the scarves. У Троя 35 фунтов. Он может купить шарфы. Нет, no. Anne's got 10 pounds. She can buy the slippers. У Анны 10 фунтов. Она может купить тапочки. Нет, no. Pam's got 16 pounds. She can buy the pajamas. У Пэм 16 фунтов. Она может купить пижаму. Да, yes. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.